In the world of modern cookware, where functionality meets innovation, this Kikcoin 5-piece non-stick pots and pans set emerges as a game changer. This isn't just another set of pots and pans. It's a thoughtfully designed kitchen solution for health-conscious cooks, space-savvy organizers, and culinary enthusiasts alike. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen arsenal, seeking cookware for your RV adventures, or simply aiming for effortless, healthier cooking, Kikcoin combines versatility, performance, and safety in one sleek package. Packed with features like a non-toxic coating, detachable handles, and compatibility with all cooktops, this cookware set promises to redefine the way you cook and store. Let's dive into why Kikcoin stands out in an overcrowded cookware market. Why Kikcoin stands out? With numerous cookware brands flooding the market, Kikcoin distinguishes itself through its commitment to safety, health, and functionality. Here's what makes this set a game changer. 1. Non-toxic coating for healthier cooking. Many traditional cookware options contain harmful chemicals like PFAS and PFOA. The Kikcoin set is crafted with a non-toxic coating, ensuring no peeling or chemical leaching even after prolonged use. It's an ideal choice for health-conscious individuals. 2. Slip-free non-stick surface. Featuring a premium non-stick coating, this set guarantees food releases effortlessly. Whether you're flipping pancakes or searing salmon, less oil is required, aligning perfectly with fitness enthusiasts seeking to reduce fat intake. 3. Efficient heat distribution. Uneven cooking is a thing of the past with Kikcoin. The advanced base construction ensures even heat distribution, eliminating hot spots and promoting better cooking results. 4. Detachable handle for space efficiency. The detachable handle system is one of Kikcoin's standout features. It supports up to 24 pounds, ensuring safety and convenience. This design makes it easy to transition the pans from the stove to the oven, or even use them as serving dishes. Product features. Here's a breakdown of what's included in the Kikcoin 5-piece set and their functionality. 7-inch saucepan, perfect for soups, sauces, and small portions. 8-inch frying pan, ideal for quick sautés and frying eggs. 10-inch large frying pan, designed for larger meals like stir-fries or steaks. 7-inch silicone-rimmed glass lid, keeps your food warm and allows for easy monitoring while cooking. Detachable handle, sturdy, ergonomic, and incredibly versatile. Performance on various cooktops. The Kikcoin cookware set is compatible with all stovetops, including gas, electric, induction, and ceramic. The heat resistance of up to 480 Fahrenheit makes it suitable for oven use as well, giving you the flexibility to bake, roast, or broil with ease. This versatility is a boon for those living in smaller spaces or RVs where every inch of the kitchen counts. Easy cleaning and maintenance. Cleaning nonstick cookware has never been simpler. A quick rinse with mild soap and warm water does the trick. For longevity, Kikcoin recommends hand washing, but the set is also dishwasher safe for busy days. Key benefits for specific users. For fitness enthusiasts, the non-stick coating minimizes the need for oils, promoting healthier meals. For families, the stackable design saves cabinet space, while the variety of pan sizes meets diverse cooking needs. For RV owners and apartment dwellers, the compact detachable handle design maximizes space efficiency. A perfect gift idea? Looking for a practical and thoughtful gift? The Kikcoin cookware set is ideal for occasions like housewarmings, weddings, Mother's Day, or even Christmas. Its elegant design and functional features make it a versatile choice. Pros and cons. Pros: non-toxic coating for safe cooking, detachable handles for versatile use, compact, space-saving design, compatible with all cooktops, durable and oven-safe. Cons: hand washing recommended for best results, limited to 5 pieces, may not suit large households. Conclusion: this Kikcoin 5-piece pots and pan set non-stick cookware is a modern solution for everyday cooking challenges. Its health-conscious design, innovative features, and versatile use make it a worthy investment for both seasoned cooks and beginners. Whether you're downsizing to an RV or upgrading your kitchen setup, this cookware set delivers on every front. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.